Finally, Poco F6 and F6 Pro are launched. Is this the best budget flagship of the year? Let's find out. The Poco F6 comes in a sleek polycarbonate plastic design with a slightly curved panel on the back that provides a more comfortable grip. Both buttons are easily reachable. It's a pretty simple design with lightweight, only 108 grams. It comes in 3 color schemes: black, green and titanium. It doesn't leave noticeable smudges or fingerprints on the surface. At the same time, the Poco F6 Pro design comes with a glass back and an aluminum frame frosted finish. It feels premium in the hand, and the frosted glass finish is elegant and resistant to fingerprints. And although with a smooth finish, the protection is also upgraded too, from IP53 to IP64. Poco also welcomes the under-display scanner. It's much more versatile, and it has become an industry standard. Also, you got a 20 megapixels OmniVision punch hole camera cut out for a selfie camera. Coming up with the display, the Poco F6 uses largely the same screen from last year, but now comes in Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The 6.67-inch diagonal AMOLED display is retained, along with the 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and 4000 nits. The resolution is 1220 by 2712 pixels. The hardware is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 740 Adreno GPU paired with starting at 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The Poco F6 series handles everything you throw at it with ease, whether it's gaming, multitasking, or running demanding apps. All this runs on Android 14 HyperOS. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Poco F6 Pro features a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel f1.6 aperture main sensor, a 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultrawide, and an 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture telephoto lens. Video supports 8K at 24 FPS. Photos are crisp, and the color accuracy is impressive. Low light performance is also great thanks to the night mode. Coming to power backup, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery and USB Type-C 90 watts turbo fast charger. On the other hand, a 120-watt fast charger for F6 Pro, the Poco F6 series, easily lasts a full day on a single charge. Plus, the fast charger gets you from 0 to 100% in about 40 minutes. The price of this device starts at $379 globally, while the Poco F6 Pro is worth the extra few bucks. You can buy through an authorized retail store or online website. This device offers higher performance, faster charging, and marginally better camera quality. So if these features are high on your priority list, then you should consider this device. Ultimately, these two devices are very similar to each other, but you will be missing out on a little bit of performance, a little bit of camera quality, and a little bit of charging speed. If any more new smartphones offer better looks, designs, and better specs, you can check out my YouTube videos. So that's all for now, folks. What do you think about this device? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay notified of our latest uploads. See you in the next video, Tech Aficionados.